The controversial businessman and ZANU-PF benefactor Tagwirei has hit back hard at party spokesperson and long-term rival Ambassador Chris Mutsvangwa in what insiders say is the clearest sign yet of a growing power struggle within the ruling party. Sanda mashoko buda panguva inozinzi Tagwirei Mutsvangwa had panguva ine pari kunzi pane ongoing power struggles arikuitika in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tagwirei, widely believed to be a key financier and frontman for President Emerson Mnangagwa, was unanimously nominated by the ZANU-PF Harare Provincial Coordinating Committee (PCC) to fulfill a vacant seat in the party's Central Committee, a powerful decision-making board. The nomination is being resisted by the ZANU-PF Presidium, sparking political tremors, particularly among factions aligned to Mutsvangwa, who, for years, has publicly questioned Tagwirei's growing influence in both the economy and the party. The PCC statement, cloaked in formal party language, reads more like a declaration of political war than a routine nomination. It hailed Tagwirei as a symbol of competence, loyalty, and strategic insight, and framed his selection as essential to the province's structural resilience and visionary leadership. ZANU-PF has a long tradition of co-opting wealthy or influential individuals into its structures. The move often serves dual purpose, muting criticism and leveraging resources, but in Tagwirei's case, it also reflects a deliberate efforts by Mnangagwa faction to neutralize dissenting voices and assert full control of the party machinery. This moment is not just about filling a vacancy, the statement reads. It's about reaffirming the party's commitment to strategic expansion, operational readiness, and leadership rooted in loyalty and skill. In the battle of billionaires and spokespersons, it appears Tagwirei has drawn first blood by turning what looked like a routine nomination into a well-executed political counterpunch. Though mashoko ari kubuda panguva ine pamusoro pemastruggles ari kuitika aiwa in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Penda comment section medu mutize mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chete on the bell icon.